Here's a makeup mistake I used to be making, and one you might be making too. And here's how I fixed it. It has to do with under eye makeup. I was using way too much product under my eye and definitely using concealer that's too light. In my attempt to cover the dark circles under my eyes and really brighten things up, all I was doing was enhancing the fine lines under my eyes and causing more creasing throughout the day. Maybe you can relate to this. Let's chat about what I learned to do instead for a much more natural look. We're gonna leave this side as is so you can see the difference. The first thing I did was switch to cream makeup. It's so much better for maturing skin. Second thing I did was invest in good brushes and small detailed brushes for under the eyes. Then I used a color correcting shade that is opposite of the excess color under the eye. I have a lot of purple and blue right here, so I'm using a yellow orange. And this orange for right along this vein right here. And then a concealer that's not too light. Hold back on the brush so as not to use too much product, and apply only to the inner and outer corners of the eye. We are skipping baking with powder. So this side is already starting to crease, and it's actually enhancing the hollowness of my eye. This side, however, no creasing, so natural looking, you wouldn't even guess I'm wearing makeup. If you want a much more natural looking under eye that's not gonna crease or cause problems throughout the day, comment match below. Let's get you this cream makeup.